Homes are up 4% from this time last year. It's Friday, March 14th, 2025. I'm Kimberly Barton, broker owner of Kinetic Realty, Maryland's indie boutique brokerage. This is the weekly Annapolis Real Estate Report. The 21409 zip code prices are up 12.1%. The 21401 zip code rose 0.6%, and the 21403 zip code prices fell 4.5% from last year the same time. Inventory rose again this week, hitting 140 for sale in Annapolis. This report, 26 properties are coming soon. 30 homes went under contract in 6 days, this report. 16 homes sold for 98.9% list to sold ratio and in 11 days. Rentals fell again this week to 34 homes at $3,000 median per month. That's a wrap for this week's Annapolis Real Estate Report for Friday, March 14th, 2025. Thanks so much for tuning in. Enjoy your weekend. Stay safe. I'll see you next week. Take care.